This one is a 10-inch blonde highlight bob wig, and you can see it's edgy blonde highlight fringe. Blunt cut style and very comfortable length, also very thick. C part, and we have the free part. Generally you can just part it anyhow you want. It's freestyle really. This one is also pre-bleached, as you can see. I don't know if you can see clearly, but it's pre-bleached. Yeah, very easy to wear. You just have to cut this lace and then you just wear. You don't need anything else, as you can see. Yeah.